Hey everyone, it's Noah from the Flatline Company. It's been a while since we chatted. Got a lot of new stuff to show you, and first things first, we're going to start off with our newest design for the stethoscope holder, the Stethoscope Clip. And nice to put a face to a name. I figured, that's a nice place to start, and we'll just cut straight to it and go to the down shot, and I'll show you some of the new features we have. Hey, so here we go. This is our first look at the new design for the Stethoscope Clip, and I'm just going to go through some of these features. So as you can see, we've adjusted where the bungee attaches, so there's a little bit less stress on the older design. And I'll just show a couple of the colors here. So as you can see, it fits the Master Cardiology 4, with a bit of the larger bell there. And if you look at the inside, it's got a couple different sizes that you can kind of fit in there. So the original Littmann, the Littmann 3, Littmann 4, and the Master Cardiology all fit confirmed. We are still trying to get our hands on an Echo 500. So we're here. I'm going to show you one of the newer features. What we've done is added some heat inserts, and some M3 screws are going to be included. So any standard size M3, hex Allen key, or the iFixit here. So you just remove those two screws, and the belt clip will come off. And as you can see, we've got those 4 heat inserts, so you can change the orientation of the clip from either vertical or horizontal. So next thing as well is we've got 3 different sizes of clips that you can choose at checkout. We've got the standard pocket and molle clip right there. This is the 2-inch duty belt, so just a bit of a larger one, and then a 1.5-inch belt, which is kind of standard for all belt sizes as well. As you can see, we've added in a retention system that's in our Medicmate series, so you have to really open it to get it to come off your pockets or molle, which is different than the older design. So I'll just show you here. You kind of screw in. There's a bit of an insert here. You pick whatever orientation you like, and screw in the included M3 screw. We noticed that this part was, due to high stress and movement, this is the part that is damaged the most frequently. We got the most feedback on. So not only is it able to be changed orientation, you can change whatever size you like, but also if for whatever reason a part breaks, you let us know and we'll replace it. Or if you want to buy different sizes, you can do that too. So here you go. As you can see here, it's got to line up, and now it's nice and secure in whatever orientation you want. So if it's on a backpack or on a fanny pack, you can have the bell and the clip go through here. As now you can see, here's one of the other colors we have now, which is the FDE, the flat dark earth, is on one of the molle attachments. So you just pull open, make sure the retention clip opens, and you can feed it back in like that. So this can fit on tactical vests, it can fit on any molle attachment, also scrub pockets, your standard pockets for work. And I can just show you that retention system there again. So that's pretty much the major changes that we have to show you today. We're pretty excited. Show you a couple different colorways we have right now. We're planning on getting some more, but we have the tactical green, the blackout, fire truck red, life pack gray, flat dark earth, and our newest color right now is pylon orange. For those high vis options. So hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see some more stuff, and have a great day.